Hi lovely people, how are you? If you read from my description, I'm going to be unbagging the April 2018 Macys bag. I literally just got it out of the mail. I just cut it with my handy dandy knife, so I don't know what's in here. So this is a $15 a month subscription, and I'm on the fence about this. So when we open it, please, if you can comment below, what do you think of this box? Should I keep getting it or should I cancel it? Okay, and it does come with like a little coupon here. This is $5 off, and then it tells you what everything is, what we get. I'm gonna put that aside. So this month it says be your own beautiful, and this is actually like a nice feeling bag this month, so I like that. So let's open her up. Okay, so the first thing, so it always comes wrapped up. Usually this comes with like a little Ipsy bag that you can just unzip. So this is the first for me. So what was in here was green tea face mask by Tony Moly. I have tried this before and I really, really like these masks. All right, let's open it up. I do like how everything comes wrapped. That's really nice. Okay. So the first thing I see is from Schmidt's. This is a natural deodorant in rose vanilla. Let's see. That does smell good. Here's what she looks like. I'm not a fan of natural deodorants only because for me, when I sweat, I can get a little odor when I sweat too much. So I need something really strong. So I haven't found any natural deodorants that kind of like stop that odor. So I'll try and see if it works. I'll try it more when it gets warmer. I live in New Jersey, so it's not hot yet, but I'll definitely give it a go because if I can find a natural deodorant, it's better for you, but I just haven't found one that works for me. Okay, the next thing is from Kula. This is the, what is this? I guess it's a face, a mineral eye. Oh, it's an eye cream. Okay, well, I can always use eye creams. So I love that. And with these, this sample is very small, but for eye creams, I know you only need a little bit. So this is a pretty good sample for that. Then we have a really, really tiny sample. This is from the Origins. This is this another eye cream? Can't be. So we have two eye creams. This one's really tiny. Okay, the next thing we got is from Kors and Wild Rose. This is a brightening sleeping facial. Okay, so that's good. I do like that. What you do is, you know, after you put in all your stuff, your skincare regimen, and then you would just go put this on over top of it, go to sleep, and then the theory is to wash it off. So let's see what it smells like. Oh, safety seal. So, oh, I can smell the rose over it. So I won't open that. And last but not least is from Bare Minerals. I said it right. I usually always say Bare Minimals. And this looks, this is foundation. No, what is this? Tinted Hydrating Gel Cream. So it comes in different shades. Vanilla, natural, tan, and chestnut. So I will try that. I've been meaning to try the Bare Minimal. Oh, see, I just said it, Bare Minimals. Bare Minerals. But this is just a tinted hydrating gel cream. It's not like the foundation. So we shall see. So let's open her up and see what this says. So this Kors here is, for a full size, will be $48. And it says how to use, apply to face and neck after nighttime cleansing. And, you know, we all know what this is. This is $3. This would be $9 if it was full size. Then we have this sample here, and this would be, how much? $36. And, oh, wait a minute. I was wrong. This is a mineral face SPF. It's like a tinted SPF. Why did I think oh, it says BB cream. I need glasses because I thought it said eye cream. I thought, boy, that's weird to have two eye creams. But this is a BB cream with SPF, so I do apologize for that. And if I said the price would be $36 for full size, this tiny sample here would be $31 if it was full size, and this is definitely an eye cream. And this is just a sample size tinted hydrating gel cream. I guess if you were to get a full size, it would be $30. So this is not bad, I don't think, this month. See, if it stays like this, I don't mind keeping it. So I think that's everything in there. I don't see like a perfume sample. But yeah, let me know what you think. I think I'll continue to get this for a little bit longer. Let me know what you think. Do you think this is worth $15? Let me know in the comments below. And I say this in every video. I do have a giveaway going on until the 30th. I will leave the video right here. And then over here, you will see my face. You just click that to be subscribed. And over here, I will just put a fun other video if you want to see more of me. All right, guys, until my next video. Bye.